I'm Katherine Fountain, and I'm diving in here at the Maritime Innovation Center with Kelly Purnell, Port of Seattle Capital Project Manager for Maritime. Welcome, Kelly.
Thank you.
So I am noticing that we are not wearing any PPE, no hats, no vests, and no safety goggles. Does that mean the project is done?
It does, yeah. We reached our substantial completion in February and our physical completion for the project in early March. And now we're just doing some light wrap up and project closeout.
So we stood here about 2 years ago in May of 2024 when the project was just getting started. And now here with the project finished, tell me a little bit about what you're feeling.
A little nostalgic, I would say. It's been a long road. I've been working on this project for about 4 years. The project itself has been going on since 2016. And I think the result is pretty fantastic. This really great mix of old and new.
So this building and the Port of Seattle are pursuing the Living Building Challenge, which is one of the most ambitious green building standards worldwide. Can you talk a little bit about that in a simplified form? What does that really mean?
So the living building aspect of it is really about self-contained building systems that allow it to use less energy, less water, and to provide its own water and energy usage. So some of the key features of this building that allow for that, we have an entire solar array up on the roof. We also have net water. We also have our own stormwater management system on site. And one of the other features that we have is a black water system. The windows open according to the ambient temperatures. Some of our heating and cooling is actually through our geothermal system. It's out in the south lot. It's a geothermal heat pump. Yeah, lots of different features in this.
And this is the port's oldest building. So I'm imagining that, with older buildings and historic building construction, you might come across a couple of surprises here and there. Was there anything that your team came across that was unexpected as the project was going along?
Within the building itself, we found that a lot of the framing was missing positive connections, meaning so some of the bolts were missing, or some of the columns had been cut off at some point in the past. And our contractor did a really good job with creating interesting solutions to those weird things that we found within the building.
Okay, so what's next for this building now that it's complete?
We have our anchor tenant, Washington Maritime Blue, coming in the next couple of months to start their tenant improvement project. And once they're completed with that, the building will be ready for the next level of maritime innovation. They're going to be solid partners with us going forward on making sure that the building is maintaining all of its energy and water usage parameters for our living building.
Well, Kelly, thank you so much. And thank you for joining us at Diving In here at the Port. Follow and like and subscribe for more information.